Hey guys, so today we're going to go over how you should compare estimates as a homeowner for your roofing project. All right guys, so we have three things written down here. They're all going to be a little bit of information on how you should compare estimates when you are doing a roofing project. The first and the most important, in my opinion, is the scope of work. So are the two contractors proposing to do the same thing? Is one contractor proposing to remove the entire roof down to the deck, inspect the deck, replace the decking if need be, and put back a new system on top of that? And is the other proposing that we only tear off the shingles and we reuse the underlayment and all that kind of stuff, which, they're two totally different things. So is one price similar to the other, but the two scope of work is completely different? That's something to look out for. Are they building up to local building codes? So if you're looking at a scope of work here in Georgia and it excludes, drip edge or, a number of other things, they're not proposing a system that is up to local building codes. And so that should be a red flag in and of itself. But if one system has a price that's a little bit higher and the other system has a price that's a little bit lower, but this one isn't built up to Georgia building codes, well, it's in your best interest to go with the higher one for sure. So that's something to look out for. Number two, are they using comparable products? So is one proposing that they're going to use a full GAF system with GAF branded materials that comes along with an upgraded warranty, and is the other proposing to use the same shingles but use all generic underlayment and ice and water shield and accessory products? That's something to look out for. And is their installation process the same? Is one proposing that the tear off and put back is going to take 1 day, and is the other saying that it's going to take 2 days, but they have these quality control measures built into their process to make sure that nothing gets missed and they're not rushing? Not to say that this one is rushing, but those are just two things to compare. Are the installation process the same? And number three, this is also very important, but how much information are they providing you? So are they providing you a detailed scope of work with a price, or are they providing you a one-line re-roof home, $10,000? In my opinion, your estimate should have a minimum of a couple of things in it. It should have the price, obviously. It should have a generic introduction that gives you kind of an idea of what the company process is and how it's going to go. It should have a photo documentation or video of the installation process itself. So what are they going to do as they go through? It should have the shingles that they're going to use compared to other shingles that are similar to it. And it should have warranty information. So they should have some kind of sample warranty or a description of what kind of warranty they are offering with the estimate. If it's just a one-page price and it doesn't include any of that, they're excluding a lot of information that I think is very relevant to a homeowner. So is it just price, or is it price with a bunch of other stuff? And yeah, so that's really how you compare estimates. You compare scope of work, you compare products, and you compare information that they are providing. So I hope you guys learned something today. If you like this video and content like this, please consider giving us a follow on Facebook, on TikTok, on LinkedIn. That's at Big Time Roof LLC. And we publish a lot of content just like this on our YouTube channel. That's at Big Time Roofing LLC again, or just type in Big Time Roofing LLC. When you get over there, if you could hit that bell button and subscribe, and if you watch any videos, give us that thumbs up. We would greatly appreciate it. It helps us out so much. So I hope you guys have a great day.